Hello and welcome to Confident English Cast. We are very happy you are here today.
Hi, everyone. Thank you for joining us. This is the place to practice real English with calm voices, simple words, and friendly energy.
My name is Henry.
And I'm Sophia. And Henry, before we start, can I say something?
If it is about my hair, I already know it is not perfect today.
It is not about your hair. Your hair is doing its best. I want to say thank you to our listeners.
Yes, thank you for learning with us.
And if you enjoy this episode, please like, subscribe, and share. It helps our channel grow, and it helps more learners find us.
Today's topic is a very special one.
Yes, today we will learn how to talk about your dreams.
Not the dreams you have when you sleep.
Right? We mean dreams like hopes, plans, wishes, and big ideas for your future.
And we will keep it simple and clear, step by step.
Also, we will give you many easy sentences you can copy and use.
Okay, Sophia, how are you today?
I'm great. I feel full of energy. I drank tea, I listened to music, and I did a small dance in my kitchen.
A kitchen dance sounds dangerous.
Only a little dangerous. I moved one chair. No injuries. How about you, Henry?
I am okay. I am a little sleepy, but in a peaceful way, like a cat in the sun.
That is a cute picture. Why are you sleepy?
This weekend was busy. I tried to be an adult.
Tried? That sounds like a funny story.
On Saturday, I went to the supermarket. I made a list. I felt proud.
Wow, a list. That is adult level too.
Yes, but then I bought snacks that were not on the list. So maybe I am still level 1.
That is normal. I also do that. What snacks did you buy?
Cookies and chips and something called extra cheesy rings. I do not know why.
Your dream is to become a healthy person, but your snacks have other dreams.
Exactly. And you, what did you do this weekend?
On Saturday, I visited my aunt. She makes the best rice and chicken. I ate a lot.
That sounds like a very good Saturday.
It was. Then on Sunday, I went outside for a walk. The sky was bright and the air felt fresh.
Nice. Walks are good. I also walked on Sunday, but only because I felt guilty about the snacks.
That is honest. Okay, now let's move from weekend talk to dream talk.
Yes. Let's talk about dreams for the future.
First, let's make the word clear. A dream is something you want very much.
It can be big or small.
It can be about your work, your life, your family, your skills, or travel.
I like that. Dreams come in many sizes.
Exactly. And today, we will practice how to say your dream in simple English.
Let's start with small dreams, because small dreams are easy and fun.
Henry, tell me one small dream you have. Not too serious.
Okay. My small dream is to wake up early and feel happy about it.
That is a real dream. Many people have that dream.
When I wake up early, my body is awake, but my brain is still in bed.
So your sentence is, my dream is to wake up early and feel happy.
Yes. Or I can say, I dream of waking up early and feeling good.
Great. Now my small dream is very simple. I want to learn how to bake soft bread at home.
Bread? That is a delicious dream.
Yes, warm bread smells like comfort. I want to make it, cut it, and eat it with butter.
I support this dream. I can help by eating the bread.
Thank you for your support. You can also wash dishes.
Oh. Suddenly, I support the dream from far away.
Okay, listeners, you can use these simple patterns.
Pattern 1. My dream is to.
Pattern 2. I dream of.
Pattern 3. I would love to.
Let's do a few examples together.
My dream is to learn to cook one perfect meal.
I dream of having a small garden with flowers.
I would love to visit a new city this year.
Very good. Now let's talk about childhood dreams. These are dreams from when you were young.
Sophia, what did you want to be when you were a child?
When I was a child, I wanted to be a singer.
A singer. Can you sing?
I can sing with confidence. That does not mean it sounds good.
Confidence is important.
Yes, but my neighbors did not enjoy my confidence. Now, what about you, Henry?
When I was a child, my dream job was to be a firefighter.
That is a brave dream.
I like the idea of helping people. Also, the truck looked cool.
Honest reason. So you can say, when I was a child, my dream was to be a firefighter.
Yes, but now I know it is hard work and dangerous. I still respect firefighters a lot.
Childhood dreams can change, and that is okay.
Yes, sometimes we grow up and learn new things about ourselves.
Also, sometimes we learn we cannot sing.
That too.
Now let's talk about dream jobs today, not childhood. Henry, what is a dream job for you now?
My dream job now is to work in a quiet library.
A library job? That fits you. Calm, books, soft voices.
Yes, I like helping people find books. I like the peaceful feeling, and I like the idea that my loudest problem is a printer.
That sounds lovely. My dream job is different. I dream of running a small food truck.
A food truck, that is exciting.
Yes, I want a colorful truck. I want to serve simple food and smile at people.
What kind of food?
Maybe sandwiches, soup, and hot tea. Comfort food.
That is a good dream. And you can say, my dream job is to run a food truck.
Or, I would love to own a food truck one day.
Now let's add an important idea, dreams and goals.
Yes. A dream is big, a goal is a step,
A dream is like the top of a mountain.
and a goal is like one step on the path.
Nice image.
So if my dream is to run a food truck, my goal can be to learn 3 easy recipes this month.
Or to save a little money each week.
Exactly. A goal is specific and clear.
Now let's talk about travel dreams. People love travel dreams.
Henry, where would you love to go?
I would love to visit Egypt.
Egypt. Why Egypt?
I want to see the pyramids. I want to learn about history, and I want to try local food.
That is a beautiful dream. You can say, my dream vacation is to go to Egypt.
Or, I dream of visiting Egypt one day.
My dream vacation is to go to New Zealand.
Nice. Why New Zealand?
I want to see green hills, clear lakes, and sheep. Also, I hear the air feels very clean.
Sheep are part of your dream?
Yes, I want to see sheep and say, hello, sheep. That is my plan.
That is a simple and happy plan.
Now, listeners, here are some easy travel dream sentences.
I would love to visit.
My dream vacation is,
I dream of traveling to.
I hope I can go to, in the future.
Great. Now, not all dreams are jobs or travel.
Right. Some dreams are about skills.
Skills are things you learn, like speaking, cooking, swimming, or playing music.
Henry, what is a skill you want to learn?
I dream of learning how to swim well.
That is a great dream. Swimming is useful and healthy.
Yes. Right now, I swim like a confused stick.
A confused stick, but it is okay. We all start somewhere.
My goal can be to take one swimming lesson next month.
Perfect. My skill dream is to learn to speak French.
Nice. Why French?
I love how it sounds. It feels soft and musical. Also, I want to watch French movies and understand them.
That is a good reason. And you can say, my dream is to speak French fluently.
Let's explain fluently for beginners.
Fluently means you can speak easily, smoothly, and with few pauses.
It does not mean perfect. It means comfortable.
That's important. Many learners think fluent means perfect.
But fluent can still include small mistakes.
Now, let's talk about personal dreams. These can be about life, home, health, or family.
I will ask carefully, Henry. Do you have a personal dream you want to share?
Yes. One of my personal dreams is to have a healthy daily routine.
That is a strong dream. What kind of routine?
I want to sleep well, eat better, exercise a little, and feel calm.
That is a dream many people share.
And you, Sophia?
One of my personal dreams is to have a warm home where friends feel welcome.
That is lovely.
I want people to visit and feel safe. I want tea, simple snacks, and kind conversation.
I like that dream.
Also, I want a pet cat.
Of course you do.
A cute cat with a strong personality.
So, a cat who ignores you.
Yes, exactly. That is the true cat experience.
Now, an important question. Is it good to talk about your dreams with other people?
I think yes, usually.
Why?
Because when you say a dream out loud, it feels more real.
Also, people can support you.
They can give advice, ideas, or even help.
but you also can keep some dreams private.
Yes, if a dream feels personal, you can keep it in your heart.
Let's give an example. If my dream is to learn to swim, I can tell a friend.
And your friend might say, "Oh, I know a good swimming class."
Exactly.
Or if my dream is to start a food truck, someone might say, "My cousin is a chef. I can introduce you."
So sharing can open doors.
Now, sometimes dreams change.
Yes, that is normal and healthy.
Henry, do you have a dream that changed?
Yes, when I was younger, I dreamed of living in a huge city.
Like a very busy city with many lights?
Yes, I wanted tall buildings and loud streets, but now I prefer a calmer place.
So your dream changed because you changed.
Exactly. Now I want quiet mornings and less traffic.
My dream changed too. I wanted to be famous online.
That is a common dream now.
Yes, but then I realized fame can be stressful. Now I want meaningful work and a peaceful life.
That is a good lesson.
Listeners, if your dream changes, it does not mean you failed.
It means you learned more about yourself.
Now let's add a sweet idea. We can also have dreams for other people.
Dreams for family, friends, and communities.
For example, I dream that my brother feels confident at his new job.
And I dream my parents stay healthy and happy for a long time.
These are loving dreams.
Now, Sophia, do you have a dream for our channel, Confident English Cast?
Yes, my dream is that learners feel safe here,
Safe to make mistakes
safe to try again.
and safe to speak.
And I want learners from many countries to use English with confidence in real life.
That is my dream too. Also, I dream that one day I can record an episode without spilling tea.
That is a difficult dream, Henry, but we believe in you.
Thank you.
Now, let's teach some key vocabulary words. We will use 5 important words today.
The words are dream, future, goal, achieve, and come true.
Great. Let's start with the first word.
Dream, D-R-E-A-M.
We can use it as a noun. A noun is a thing,
Example, my dream is to travel more.
and we can use it as a verb. A verb is an action.
Example, I dream of traveling more.
Great. Now word 2, future.
Future means the time after now, tomorrow, next week, next year.
Example, in the future, I want to live near the sea.
Good. Word 3, goal.
A goal is a clear target. It is usually smaller than a dream.
Example, my goal is to study English for 10 minutes every day.
Perfect. Word 4, achieve.
Achieve means you reach your goal because you work for it.
Example, she worked hard and achieved her goal.
And word 5, come true.
When a dream comes true, it becomes real.
Example, my dream came true when I got my first job.
Now let's practice with easy sentences. Henry, give us one sentence with dream as a noun.
My dream is to learn to swim well.
Great. Now I will use dream as a verb. I dream of owning a small food truck.
Now let's use future. In the future, I want to work in a library.
Now goal. My goal is to learn 5 new English words each day.
Now achieve. I want to achieve my goal by practicing every day.
Now come true. I hope your dreams come true.
Nice. Now, let's make one longer sentence using all 5 words.
Okay, I will try. My dream for the future is to run a food truck, and my goal is to learn new recipes and save money so I can achieve my plan and make my dream come true.
That was excellent.
Thank you. Now you try, Henry.
My dream for the future is to swim confidently, and my goal is to take lessons so I can achieve better skills and make my dream come true.
Great job.
Now, listeners, you can copy these sentence shapes.
Here are 3 easy ones.
My dream is to.
In the future, I want to.
My goal is to.
Now, we also want to give you simple question forms so you can ask other people.
Yes, asking questions is very useful.
Here are easy questions.
What is your dream?
What is your dream for the future?
Do you have a goal this month?
What would you love to do one day?
Now, let's do a small role play. Sophia will ask me about my dreams and I will answer.
Okay, Henry, what is one of your dreams for the future?
My dream for the future is to feel healthier and calmer.
Nice. What is one goal you have this month?
My goal is to walk for 20 minutes, 3 times a week.
Great. How will you achieve that?
I will put walking time on my calendar, and I will ask a friend to join me.
Perfect. Now I answer. Henry, what is your dream?
Sophia, what is your dream?
My dream is to open a small food truck and serve warm comfort food.
Nice. What is your goal for this month?
My goal is to practice cooking 2 new soups and ask friends for honest feedback.
Brave. Feedback can be scary.
Yes, but helpful. And also, friends usually say nice things before the truth.
That is friendship.
Now, let's talk about English learner dreams because many listeners have one big dream.
Yes, many people dream of speaking English fluently
If that is your dream, you are already moving forward.
because listening is practice.
Repeating is practice.
Speaking out loud is practice.
And writing small comments is practice too.
Your dream can feel big, but your steps can be small,
Like 1 new word a day.
or one short conversation each week.
Now, let's add a little emotional truth.
Dreams are not only about success,
Dreams are also about meaning,
about what makes you feel alive.
about what makes you feel proud.
And sometimes, dreams help us during hard days.
Yes. When life feels heavy, a dream can be a small light.
Even a small dream like, I want to read 1 book this month.
Or I want to make 1 new friend.
Dreams do not need to be perfect.
They just need to be yours.
Now, before we finish, let's do our practice part. We will say sentences, and you can repeat after us.
Ready? Sentence 1. My dream is to travel in the future.
Sentence 2. I dream of learning a new skill.
Sentence 3. My goal is to practice edit every day.
Sentence 4. I want to achieve my goal.
Sentence 5. I hope my dream comes true.
Great. Now let's do a short choose your dream game.
Ooh, yes. Listeners, choose A or B.
Dream A. Learn to cook 1 great dish.
Dream B. Learn to dance with confidence.
I choose Dream A. Cooking feels safer than dancing.
I choose Dream B. Dancing feels more fun than chopping onions.
Next, Dream A. Visit the mountains.
Dream B. Visit the beach.
Mountains.
Beach. I want warm sun and cold juice.
Next, Dream A. Speak English fluently.
Dream B. Speak 3 languages.
I choose English fluently. 1 step first.
I choose 3 languages because I love challenges and also I love showing off a little.
Honest again.
Always.
Now we are close to the end, but we want to give you the question of the day.
Yes, this is your chance to practice.
Today's question is simple.
What is one of your dreams for the future?
It can be a small dream.
Or a big dream?
It can be about work,
Travel,
skills,
family,
health.
or learning English?
Write your answer in a short sentence.
For example, my dream is to start my own business.
Or, I dream of visiting Canada.
Or my goal is to speak English with confidence.
And if you see another person's dream, you can write something kind.
You can say, good luck.
You can do it.
I believe in you.
Because support feels good.
And dreams feel easier when we are not alone.
Okay, Sophia, final thoughts?
Yes, if you feel shy, remember this. Your English can be simple.
Simple English is still real English.
You do not need big words to share a dream.
You just need courage.
And practice.
Thank you for listening to Confident English Cast.
We are proud of you for learning today.
Keep practicing.
Keep dreaming.
Goodbye for now.
Bye, everyone. See you next time.